Think about how much smoother your day would go if you had a tiny, personal assistant sitting on your nightstand or desk, ready to manage your life at a single glance. That is exactly what the newest model of the Amazon Echo Show 5 brings to your home. If you want the ultimate compact command center that keeps you connected, organized, and entertained without taking up precious space, this charcoal smart display is a complete game changer for your daily routine. What makes this latest version so special is how Amazon completely overhauled the audio experience. Despite its small, sleek 5-inch footprint, it features an upgraded speaker system that delivers 2 times the bass and significantly clearer vocal sound compared to the older versions. It is fully optimized for Alexa Plus, meaning it responds faster than ever when you want to look at your smart home cameras, stream your favorite playlist, or check a quick morning news brief. Plus, with the crisp display and built-in camera, you can easily make hands-free video calls to family, glance at your personalized calendar, or drop in to check on your pets while you are out. It wraps a booming speaker, a vibrant screen, and complete smart home control into one elegant, space-saving design. If you are ready to modernize your space and get the smartest little hub on the market, click the link below for the best price. Let me know what smart gadget you would pair with this first in the comments. Smash that subscribe button for more straightforward tech reviews, and I will see you in the next video.